In this video, I'll show you how you can enter coordinates in Google Maps, because I understand your struggle, right? If you're trying to type in some coordinates, but you can't find the degrees symbol, then it can get annoying. So here's what I will do. Now, if you want to just copy and paste in coordinates, you can do that. If you want to find coordinates of anywhere, you can hold down on Google Maps, and then here you will see the coordinates. If you click on it, you can copy it. So if you've been sent the coordinates digitally, you can just simply paste them into Google Maps. But if you need to type them out and you're specifically looking for the degrees symbol, just go ahead and save yourself some hassle. Open up Google Chrome or any other web browser and then go and type in here degrees symbol, copy and paste. And that will open up this website where you can then click on this degrees symbol website and you can just simply copy it. And this is going to save you so much time when you try and paste in or enter in the coordinates yourself. So now if you start writing in coordinates, you can hold down and paste whenever you need to enter in the degrees symbol. This is a great workaround and this is what I would recommend you do.